In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a recording in GoReact. Please remember that there is the GoReact help desk link, which has the most up-to-date information. I find that website to be very helpful. So as you can see, you'd be looking at the course homepage in D2L. That's where all the GoReact assignments are housed. From here, you would navigate to content. Once you're in content, there's going to be a module, and it's going to be titled Resource GoReact Speech Recordings. Click that. Once you're in that module, the first submodule are the actual speech assignments. So I do have a practice one here. I recommend practicing a couple times just to make sure everything's working well and that you're comfortable with using it. You're welcome to delete those recordings whenever you're done or leave them there, whatever you prefer to do. So you let that load. Depending on the browser that you're using, it may look a little bit different. Right now I'm in Firefox. Okay, so from here, if there were no recordings in here, this is one that I just did earlier. Wherever it is in here, you would click the Start Assignment. And then you can title it with whatever you want to. You're going to be affiliated as the presenter, but if you click in that box, you should see your name. And you can click in there if you'd like to. If you were going to use a PowerPoint, this is where you would upload the PDF slides. Remember, you need to convert any PowerPoint to PDF. That's the only document type that's supported in GoReact. Then you would hit the record button. If it's asking you to allow GoReact to use your camera, microphone, you of course need to allow that. Sometimes it asks more than once, just keep allowing it, and here you go. You should be able to then see yourself just as you can see me. Now, I recognize that everyone's at-home recording situation is a little different. I am in my kitchen. I have a breakfast bar, so it allows me to elevate the laptop just a little bit. And I do get some backlighting from my sliding door. I know there's some stuff on the back wall. I'm not looking for perfection with these at-home recordings. So you do the best you can with your recording situation. You should make sure that the lighting is good. Look at the angle of the camera compared to, think about what you're wearing. It's best not to be looking up your nose or anything like that. So, okay, so once you look at this, I see that the bars are moving. If I'm getting into red, I'm probably going to get feedback on the recording. So it's just did that right there. You may need to play with the volume button on your microphone for your laptop. That's probably in your settings. So this is why it's good to do a couple test recordings just to see. Once you're all ready to go, you see there's a red record button. You would just hit record. And so right now the speech is being recorded. Now let's say that you need to pause. Something happens and you need to pause for a minute. You can click the pause button. And when you're ready to resume, you hit resume. Okay. And then when you're all done with your speech, you're going to click the finish button. From there, it's going to process it. Sometimes it's going to ask if you want to post the video. This sometimes depends on the browser you're using. If you are ever asked to post, if you want to post, you would always say yes. If you do not post the video, it will not show up in GoReact. And so right now we can see that the video is processing. And there it is, what I recommend doing. Sometimes students will email me back and say, hey, can you see my recording? Well, I can see everything you can see. So if you want to check that out, you could go back into the assignment and listen to your recording, and I highly recommend that you do that. Also, as you can see, it does record the time. So if you find you're in a situation where you are significantly over or significantly under, that's something you would want to consider. I guess that is a benefit to recording at home. So it's just that simple. That's how you create a recording in GoReact.